Hey boys and girls, welcome to math. Yesterday we got started talking about the dime. Okay, we have the dime. The day before that we talked about the nickel. And then on Monday we talked about the penny. Notice they all look different. Okay, one way that you can tell is by flipping the coin over. Some of them have how much they are worth on the back, and some of them tell you, like the dime, what the coin is, one dime. Okay. How much cents do I have right here? I always start when I count with my biggest cent, okay, with my biggest amount, which in this case would be a dime, then a nickel, then a penny. So I have 10 plus 5 to get 15, plus one more is 16. So right here with these three pieces of change, with these three coins, I have 16 cents. Okay, so let's just recap. We have dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. And we know we can write it as $0.10 or just 10 cents. Today we're going to talk about the quarter. Okay, let me just get out some quarters for you guys. All right, take a look. The quarter is bigger than the dime and the nickel, and of course the penny, okay? Take a look at the quarter. On the back it says quarter dollar. Let's read our little riddle about the quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. Let's read it one more time all together. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. So how much is a quarter worth? It is worth 25 cents. So right here it's written $0.25 or just 25 cents. So let's count these, okay? If I have two quarters, now I'm going to count by 25. Go 25, 50. Okay? If I add one more, I have three now. 25, 50, 75. Count with me. 25, 50, 75. I have 75 cents. If I have four quarters, some of you might already know this, four quarters make $1. 25, 50, 75, it would be 100, but we say $1 because remember 100 cents equals $1. And after the dollar, you put the decimal point. So 25, 50, 75, $1. So four quarters make $1. Okay, let's get started on your packet. I want you to take out your money packet today, okay? We're just gonna work out of one packet. So the front of the packet looks like this. We start with counting pennies. Today we're gonna get started counting quarters, okay? And you should see this sheet with 3 quarters. I'm gonna give you a couple seconds to get started, or to find this page. Okay, while we start, I want to count to 100 or $1 again by 25s. 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay, up at the top of your page, if you want to remember that, write down 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay, let's count these now. We have 3 quarters here. We're all counting quarters. It's 25 cents. 25, 50, 75. So how much cents do I have there? I have 75 cents. If you ever forget, remember each one of these is worth 25 cents. Okay, so you can even write that on the coin like I am doing right now. We start at 25. We add another 25 to get 50. So that's how much I write down below. Now we have 50 here, plus 25. We get 75 cents. Let's count this one. 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75. How we write $1 is we put the dollar sign, which is an S with a line through it. We have $1 And when we say $1, we put a decimal after it. So a little dot, almost looks like a period, but it's called a decimal in math. So we have the dollar sign, we write $1. And how much cents do we have? 75 cents. So we didn't have enough to make $2, but we have $1 and 75 cents. Let's count this one. 25, 50, 75. What comes after 75? $1. So let's practice writing $1. An S with a line through it. $1. And there are no cents left over. That is how you write that. We have $1 there. So remember, 4 quarters make $1. Let's count this one. 25, 50, 75, $1. Now we start over, we go $1.25. We just start over, and then if we had one more, we'd say $1.50 like we did here. So we have $1, so I write my dollar sign, $1.25. Great job. Flip over those packets. Let's continue counting quarters. We're going to do this one together again. 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50. Oh, and we are done. So let's do our dollar sign, an S with a line. We have $1. Remember, we say 1, and then for dollar, we put the decimal, $1.50. Perfect. That could probably buy you a candy bar and some popcorn at a volleyball game. Let's take a look down. 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2. Let's count this again. 25, 50, 75, $1. $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2. Everyone count out loud with me. 25, 50, 75, $1. $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2. So we do our dollar sign, $2.00. Remember, each time I'm just adding another 25 to the number before it, okay? 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 plus 25 is 75. 75 plus 25 is 100, which equals $1. 100 plus 25 equals 125 or $1.25. $1.25 or 125 plus 25, 150, 175, and then 200, which equals $2. Okay, let's count this one. 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2, $2.25, and it just starts over like it did. So we have dollars, $2, remember we write $2 with the decimal point, and 25 cents. This one's pretty easy. 25, 50. We have 50 cents. Do we have any dollars? We do not have any dollars here. It did not make $1. So I decided to write it with the cent sign. I could have also said it's $0.50, but I would put the dollar sign out front. Turn the page, please. Okay, I want you guys, this one's going to be bigger numbers, okay? If you have to go back to remember how to count, do that, or take out your whiteboards and add 25 each time. You are going to do this page on your own, okay? If you have any questions, reach out to me. Flip your packets over. Let's take a look at this one. We have to recognize the coin now. This is where if you bring out your other packet, okay, if you have this Counting Coins money packet, bring out that first page so you can look to see what each coin is worth, okay? So take a look. That is the quarter, so I know it's 25. Here's another one, 50, 75. Well, what coin is next? Look at how small it is. That would be the dime, which is worth 10 cents. What's 75 plus 10? It's 85. What's 85 plus 10? 95. What do we have here? We have a nickel. I matched it up using my chart. And the nickel is worth 5 cents. So what's 95 plus 5 will get us to 100. And we know 100 cents is equal to $1. Okay, let's count one more. 25, 50. We have dimes now, so it's plus 10 to get 60, plus 10 to get 70. We're at a nickel, plus 5 to get 75. And look at this, it's 1 penny, so we add 1. What's 75 plus 1? 76. We have 76 cents. We didn't reach $1, so I wrote it with the cent sign. Let's try the next one. 25, 50. Look at our coins have changed here. From a quarter to a dime, so we add 10. We get 60. Our coins have changed again. We now have a nickel, so we add 5 to get 65. And once again, our coins have changed to a penny, so we only add 1 to get 66. So we have 66 cents. Let's try this last one. 25, 50 plus 10. Okay, I didn't write them underneath. 25, 50 plus 10 to get 60, plus 10 to get 70, plus 10 to get 80. And here we have the nickel, so we plus 5 to get 85. We have 85 cents. Okay, turn your math packets. I want you guys to complete this sheet and the next one. Okay, tomorrow we are going to go over the last few pages. Okay, so flip that page over. We have more. You can cross off this page because that's just an extra. Okay, if you do it though, send me a picture. I'd love to see it. And we'll talk about the rest tomorrow. So you have 3 pages or 4 pages. Circle this one too. Okay, you'll have 4 pages to do. So let's go back. Okay, so we started with our quarters. Okay, so we counted quarters. These are dimes. Here's our quarters. We did this page together, this page together. You guys will be doing this page, so make sure you circle it so you know. We did this page together. You'll be doing this page and this page, so that's 3 pages total. Crossing off the next page, and then you will be doing this last page. Okay, we will finish the rest of the packet tomorrow. Nice job, boys and girls. Keep up the great work.